Welcome back to MainStation. Just a quick update on precious metals, gold and silver. So, gold, I said around 1300, we'll see heavy resistance incoming. So we got that. We got just, I think we didn't quite reach it. Maybe to the point. It doesn't seem like it. Well, but you can say we touched 1300, and are now experiencing some resistance. And if you switch from the daily to the 4 hour, you see we have an equilibrium forming on the 4 hour time frame. The uptrend is still maintaining, so this is actually quite bullish. And after this tightening range will complete, I will look at breaking off 1,295, 1,295. Okay, what's wrong today? What's wrong today? Whatever. So, and after that, we most likely will break through through resistance we would have at around 1308, 1309. You can see around 1300 we have many resistance points here, some cluster right here and here. So we are experiencing some resistance. I would actually like to see a daily higher low to be set. Maybe see discontinuation, or here some sort of consolidation. See a nice bull move, because I think if we break 1300, then we most likely will get into the vicinity of this resistance right here, around 1350, and maybe see then a bit more of a sharper pullback. Find support in this area right here around 1300, set a higher low, and this would maybe look like if we consolidate for a few days. I would like to see it hold this trend line right here, and then maybe go into an equilibrium, forming a bit of an ascending triangle, and then see some sort of breakout right here, break also above 1308, come back up to into the vicinity of 1305, 1350, and then see some sort of sharper pullback around this area. So it's a nice higher low right here, and then maybe see some continuation if this bull move is actually legit and not some sort of bull trap, which could of course be a valid point, because we broke the higher lows right here with this. But if you go to the monthly, then this is actually not really some sort of high low, and this would be our high low compared to this and this. So I already talked about this in my latest video on precious metals. I'm still in drawing mode again. So yeah, my price targets have been hit in the short term. Quite nice. I've been waiting for this for a few months now. I've been following it quite steadily, actually. And also, of course, in silver. Silver, we had a similar move to the upside. Already talked about this. This has actually been an ascending channel which broke to the upside. Has been quite asymmetrical, so it doesn't really matter to me. But yeah, we are also on silver forming 4 hour equilibrium, and my price target, as you can see right here, has been hit, and I would like to see some sort of consolidation, pretty much similar to gold, and then come back up into the vicinity of like $16, and maybe find resistance again right here, because this equilibrium has been broken. So this is a retest of a very important support area, which has been support for like 2 years. So I would like to see some sort of pullback or consolidation, which we are seeing right now. And if this prolongs, then I would look at this to actually break to the upside and come into the vicinity of like 16.6. This would be after we see some sort of consolidation right here, maybe like 6%, which is very, very viable for silver. And if we reach back up here, then I would like to see again a sharper pullback after this resistance line on the top, and maybe set a higher low right here, and this would look quite similar to gold. So as you might know, gold and silver are moving quite similar, according to, of course, movements in the US dollar. So this would maybe look like this, or actually it would look again consolidation right here for a few days, then see it break, come to the upside right here, come back down and find support in the vicinity of like $16. Must be then according to our support or our resistance right here in this consolidation. Set a higher low, come back up again, maybe form another equilibrium right here, or just break this and move to the upside if this bull move is legit. Well, what could also happen if it is that we just move down, come back to like 1480 or $15, and maybe set another higher low right there. I wouldn't be too bullish then. So yeah, quite nice. I didn't enter any trade on silver right here. I could have, but didn't feel like it, and I'm not too keen of precious metals yet. I want to be, of course, I always want to look at the indicators, tickers, and so forth for a period of time until I have them figured out quite a bit and understand them a bit better, and how price moves in certain assets. Yeah, and just comparing the dollar to the euro. Actually, yes, it's a euro USD. Do it like this. I just wanted to show you this today. I've been looking at this for a few months now, and if we extend this to the weekly time frame, then you can see we've been in this. We could actually extend this maybe like that. If we just do it like this. No, it's a bit no, it's nicer. Okay, just ruin it a little bit. Well, do it like this maybe. Not really. Yeah, this would be maybe the most appropriate. So do it like that in this fork formation descending channel, and for, of course, a long period of time, since like over a decade. And I've been looking at this falling wedge for a few months now, as I already said, and quite interesting. We would now have broken this. Look at it daily, maybe. Yeah, nicer. But we've just now seen an ascending channel on the end of this, and this is, of course, this had only like 2 touches yet, so the top is not really confirmed. The bottom is actually very nice, as you can see right here. So our support trend line is intact, yet our resistance line on the top has not been respected too nicely. You can see right here we have some sort of cluster, and I don't like that really. This ascending channel would usually mean we see another touch. Maybe we will now see a fake out, see it come back down, touch it again, and then move back up, retest the resistance line right here. So this will maybe look like that. If we see a fake out, this could of course just move quite nice out of this falling wedge. But in either case, if we see a fake out, it might look like this. We come back down, come back up, consolidate right here, retest of this resistance line or of the support line, which has then become resistance, and then see it break out maybe